there probably wasn't artificial sweetener before there were life forms to make it. Welcome to Scientific Station. I'm Brendan Crawwell. For several years now, chemists have been trying to figure out ways that organic molecules would have been created in an abiotic or pre-life Earth. Now, to do this, these reactions, presumed reactions, can be simulated. Some of them can be simulated in the laboratory, but to do it correctly, you need to know what was there for these reactions to occur, if they occurred the way the scientists are trying to see if they did. So it was a famous experiment done quite a while ago where different inorganic solutions were put in a sealed container, and a simulation of lightning was introduced. And the result were simple amino acid type compounds, amino acid type and other organic type compounds. Recently, though, as we get a better understanding of geology and what early Earth would have been like, we realize what gases would have been available and what other elements would have been at the surface of Earth for these chemical reactions to occur. And recently, scientists looked at what happens if you introduce silicate solutions into these reactions to see if abiotic reactions can produce organic compounds. And one of the interesting findings is that the silicate compounds help catalyze simple sugars, maybe 2 carbon sugars, into larger 4 to 6 carbon sugars. And normally for these reactions to happen, for the 2 carbons to be generated into the 4 to 6 carbon compounds, there would have to be high temperature chemical reactions. But the silicates, as a catalyst, they don't involve themselves in the reaction, but they lower the amount of energy that's needed for these reactions to occur. So the more complex sugars were shown to be able to originate in the abiotic condition, it helped showing that there would have been potentially sugar available in the early Earth environment. For more information, visit scientificstation.com.